All right, so we got another wintry mix type scenario tomorrow. Not too unlike the last storm, but going to be less snow and more rain, especially for southern New England. It's the HRR model, precipitation type. This is for 11 p.m., so you start to see the light snow move into the region. If we look at just the simulated reflectivity, you can see the intensity a bit better. Definitely going to be light to start, but then pick up a little bit overnight in southern New England, and then by like mid-morning, 7 or 8 a.m., Boston starts to change over. South Shore has already changed over to rain. Could be a brief period of sleet or freezing rain, and then it's going to flip to just plain rain. Most of the Merrimack Valley is still in the changeover period for the morning commute tomorrow, and then New Hampshire and Maine and northern New England still snowing. Everywhere changes over, everywhere in southern New England anyway, by late morning. And then most of the steady precipitation changes to more scattered showers by early afternoon, and then is totally out of the area for our area in southern New England by early afternoon, and then just some snow showers and sleet lingering up here in northern New Hampshire and Maine until mid afternoon or even early evening. Snow totals are going to be a general 1 to 3, probably not even 3 inches in most of Massachusetts, or maybe the northern Merrimack Valley might see that, but generally like a coating to an inch for Boston and a coating for South Shore and most of the Merrimack Valley probably a 1 to 2. Northern New Hampshire, especially the higher elevations like the White Mountains, could get 4, 5, 6 inches or maybe even more. Um, And then we look at the NAM model, very similar, but showing even less snow than that. Probably only a coating to up to an inch for most of eastern Massachusetts and a good chunk of the Merrimack Valley. And then look at temperatures real quick. It's going to start below freezing everywhere, but you'll see this 32 line quickly retreating northward as the low pressure system moves across southern Massachusetts into the Gulf of Maine and brings plenty of warm air with it. So some high temperatures could even be in the low to mid 40s for the south coast and south shore. But then late tomorrow evening after dark, a cold front comes through and kind of puts us back in check in terms of temperatures, seasonably cold through tomorrow and Saturday until we get the next system on late Saturday into Sunday, which we'll talk more about another video. But yeah, there could be some decent wind gusts out of this system as well on the back side of it. Cape and the Islands might get a bit of a breeze tomorrow morning with the precipitation, but then after the cold front comes through, you can see these stronger 30 to 40 mile an hour wind gusts, maybe even 50 mile an hour plus in some of the higher elevations. So not enough to really do much damage in terms of knocking down limbs or power outages, but could be an isolated power outage here or there. And overall, for most of Massachusetts, I don't think it's going to be um, too much of an issue on the roads for cancellations. Maybe some places in the Merrimack Valley or the like Worcester Hills that get a bit more frozen precipitation or some freezing rain mixed in could see a delay for schools or something tomorrow. But it flips over to rain quick enough where that slushy inch or two of snow just gets washed away by late morning or early afternoon.